Speak English fluently with these sentences. What if I told you that speaking English fluently is not about memorizing thousands of grammar rules or studying for years in silence? What if I told you that today, right now, you could start speaking with real confidence using only a few simple sentences? Maybe you've been stuck before. You open your mouth and nothing comes out. You feel nervous. Your mind goes blank, and you think, why can't I just speak? My friend, this is not your fault. The problem is not you. The problem is the method. And today, you are going to learn the sentences that can make you speak English naturally, step by step, like you always wanted. Stay with me until the end, because this video may become the turning point in your English journey. Here is the secret. Before you speak, you must think in English. Not later, not after translating, but right now in your mind. Let me show you how. Imagine you wake up in the morning. Don't say in your language, I am waking up. Say it directly in English. I am waking up. When you drink water, tell yourself, I am drinking water. When you leave your room, say, I am going out. These are not just words. These are real-life sentences. The more you say them in English, the more your brain starts to believe that English is your language too. Do you see how simple this is? But will you do it? That is the question. Think about this. A baby does not wait until it knows every word before it speaks. A baby uses small sentences, repeats them again and again, and slowly becomes fluent. Why not you? You can start right now with short sentences. I am happy. I am tired. I am ready. Then you can add more. I am learning English. I am watching a video. I am practicing every day. Can you feel how powerful these sentences are? They are not just practice. They are your new voice in English. Every time you say them, you are training your mind to think in English first. Maybe you are asking, but what if I make a mistake? Let me tell you something important. Mistakes do not make you weak. Mistakes make you stronger. Every mistake is proof that you are speaking, and speaking is the only way to become fluent. Do not wait for perfect grammar. Do not wait for the right time. The right time is now. Speak first, correct later. That is how fluency is built. Are you still with me? Because if you are, this is your chance to break the old habit of silence and start the new habit of speaking. Here is your daily challenge. Pick 3 sentences and use them all day. For example, I am learning English. I am getting better. I will not stop. Say them when you wake up. Say them when you walk. Say them before you sleep. Let these sentences live inside you, and watch what happens. In 30 days, you will not only speak English more easily, you will also think in English without fear. Can you imagine that moment when someone asks you a question and the answer comes out naturally without translation? That moment is waiting for you, but only if you start today. So, my friend, if you truly want to speak English fluently, don't just watch this video. Do the sentences. Speak them out loud. Live them. And if this video gave you hope, if it gave you power, then show me. Like this video, comment your favorite sentence below, and subscribe for more simple and powerful English lessons. Together, we will unlock your fluency and make English your friend for life.